The secret benefits of Sambong leaves and ginger. The combination of ginger and Sambong leaves. Sambong is one of 10 herbal medicine that has been used as an alternative medicine for particular diseases. And ginger is a delicious and healthy spice that's also been used for medicinal purposes. Let's find out the secret benefits of ginger and Sambong leaves to our body. Sambong is also known as Blumea balsamifera or Indi camphor, is a medicinal plant commonly found in Southeast Asia, including Philippines. The plant's leaves are traditionally used in folk medicine to treat various ailments, and modern research has also identified some potential benefits. While the ginger is a super spice, it improves your immune system, fight bacteria and viruses. It even has anti-cancer properties. Watch till the end. First, slice the ginger into pieces. Second, 4 to 5 cups of water. Boil water and meanwhile, grate ginger slices. Boil at least 10 to 15 minutes. Insert 4 leaves of Sambong leaves. After 15 minutes,
now the question is, what is the benefits of ginger and Sambong leaves to our body?
Sambong leaves are known for their diuretic properties, which means they can increase urine output and help flush out excess fluids from the body. This makes them useful for treating conditions such as edema, hypertension, and urinary tract infections. This is one of the secrets of one tribe in Southeast Asia, that most people live longer. In 1 week of drinking of Sambong leaves and ginger, they can thins the blood, freshens breath, eliminates intestinal gas, anti-inflammatory effects, antioxidant activity, protects against colorectal cancer, induces cell death in ovarian cancer, promotes healthy sweating, boosts immune system, free radical protection, lessens depletion of glutathione, prevents symptoms of motion sickness, especially seasickness, relieves nausea, morning sickness, relieves blockages from menstrual cramps. Excellent for cold and flu, helps with digestion concerns, relieves headaches and migraines. Relieves rheumatoid arthritis pain, anti-cancer properties. Helps with asthma. Lowers cholesterol. The medicinal use of ginger has been known for centuries, some say for at least 2,000 years. Ginger originated in Asia, but is much valued in India, the Middle East, Africa, the Caribbean, and other areas worldwide. Ginger has been shown to have over 40 pharmacological effects. Ginger contains antibacterial, antiviral, antioxidant, and anti-parasitic properties with a broad spectrum. Sambong leaves is one of 10 herbal medicine that has been used as an alternative medicine for particular diseases. Sambong leaves contains nutrients such as borneol, oxide caryophyllene, atripiniol, phytochemicals, beta-carotene, lutein, cyptomeridiol, flavonoids. The combinations of ginger and Sambong leaves is very effective. It may help reduce high blood pressure naturally because of its diuretic actions. Traditionally been applied topically to wounds and cuts to help them heal faster. This traditional use has gained some support from modern research. It has been used traditionally to help relieve pain and inflammation, especially to help treat the symptoms of rheumatism and arthritis. It may have expectorant properties, meaning that it can help break down the phlegm and mucus that inhibits breathing, packed with various antioxidants that can protect the body from the harmful effects of free radicals. It is important that we get plenty of antioxidants into our system to help the body prevent disease and protect the cells and DNA from damage. Now you know the health benefits of sambong leaves and ginger to our body that can heal us naturally in many diseases. Spread this awareness to your loved ones. Thanks for watching. Fresh air is as good for the mind as for the body. Nature always seems trying to talk to us as if she had some great secret to tell. And so she has. God is giving us all we need. Try to listen to your soul. Thanks for watching.